In a world where green cover signifies life, India's forests are silently disappearing. On World Environment Day 2024, the Government of India proclaimed its environmental achievements with high-sounding declarations. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change announced India's leadership in sustainability with Mission Life, a global movement introduced at COP26 to promote eco-friendly practices and sustainable lifestyles. India has indeed expanded its network of protected areas, celebrating milestones like 50 years of Project Tiger and 30 years of Project Elephant. However, beneath these accomplishments lies a troubling reality.
Recent forest survey reports make no mention of 25.87 million hectares of forests. There is no record of their existence or condition. Between 2019 and 2021, India's forest cover grew by a mere 0.2%. Most of this growth has been in open forests, on lands outside recorded forest areas.
The recorded forest area is 77.53 million hectares, but the actual forest cover is only 51.66 million hectares. This means 34% of the recorded forest area is missing in the assessment. The India State of Forest Report 2021 fails to explain the disappearance of forest land equal to the size of UP. States like MP have lost nearly 3 million hectares of forest. According to Global Forest Watch, from 2002 to 2023, India lost 414,000 hectares of humid primary forest, a 4.1% decrease. Tree cover loss from 2001 to 2023 amounted to 2.33 million hectares, equivalent 1.20 gigatons of CO2 emissions. Forest fires are a significant contributor to tree cover loss. From 2001 to 2023, India lost 38,100 hectares of tree cover due to fires. Recent incidents in Uttarakhand highlight this ongoing threat. The northeastern states are among the worst affected. Assam tops the list with 324,000 hectares of tree cover loss. The biodiversity-rich forests of this region have been consistently declining since 2009.
If we go by the ISFR 2021, many city dwellers or coffee plantation owners are actually forest dwellers. The definition of forest area outside recorded forests includes non-forest plantations, leading to disputed claims of increased forest cover.
The Environmental Performance Index 2022 ranked India the lowest among 180 countries, with an overall score of 18.9. This is a steady decline from previous years, highlighting India's deteriorating environmental health. India's forests are more than just a statistic. They're a vital part of our ecosystem, culture, and heritage. As we face the reality of our disappearing forest cover, it's crucial to take action now.